Hello friends, welcome to Sharma classes. I am your mentor Rakhi Sharma and today I will teach you how to find a square root. Let's start. Before we start, we discuss about this square table. In this, 1 square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9, square of 4 is 16, square of 5, 25 as on. And when we find a square root, we only use the unit digit of these squares. Okay, so square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9, square of 4 is 16, but we only use the unit digit, that means 6. Square of 5 is 25, we use 5. Square of 6, 36, but we only use the 6 when we find a square root. Same 7, 9, 8, 4, 9, 1. That means 1 is repeat 2 times in 9 and 1, 4, 2 times, 2 and 8, 6, 6 and 4, 5 is only on 5. Okay, let's start. 529. To find the perfect square root of 529, what we do? Our first step is we focus on the 1st digit. 9. Where we find 9? In this table, 3 and 7. Right? So, step 1, 3 and 7. Correct? Now, we are focused on the 100 place value. That means we find a square root. So, we cut 2 digits, last 2 digits. We cut last 2 digits and the remaining digit is 5. So, now, step 2, we focus on 5. Okay. Now we find which number square is less than 5. Okay. That means ऐसा number जिसका square 5 से कम हो. Okay. So square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9. 9 is greater than 5 and 2 is smaller than 5. Right? Because 5 is, we find 5 in between 2 and 3. So we take 2 because square of 2 is less than 5. That means step 3, we find 2 digits, 23 and 27. Correct? Now we have to compare these digits, which is the perfect square root of 529. So next step we focus on 5. Right? So what we do? We have 2. We find 2 now. So अब now हम क्या करेंगे? 2 का multiply किस successor से करेंगे? What is the successor of 2? Successor of 2 is 3. So we have to multiply 2 by 3. 2 multiplied by 3 we found 6. Right? Now we compare 6 to 5. When we compare 5 and 6, 5 is smaller than 6, right? 5 is smaller than 6, that means 5 जो सक्सेसर का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने के बाद हमें नंबर मिला है वो अगर हमारे इस रिमेनिंग नंबर से बड़ा आया है तो व्हाट वी डू? नाउ वी डू इफ द रिमेनिंग नंबर इज स्मॉलर देन द मल्टीप्लिकेशन प्रोडक्ट, नाउ वी डू कंपेयर विथ दिस. From this, so square of successor of 2 is 6. When we compare 6 and 5, we find 5 is less than 6. So we take the smaller digit. That means if the answer is smaller than the remaining number, we take greater digit. But if we find the answer is greater than the remaining number, so we take the smaller number. So 529 is the perfect square of 23. Yeah, or we say 23 is a perfect square root of 529. Let's take some more examples, students. Our second example is 1156. Now, what we do? 6. Where we find 6? 6, 4 and 6. So, 4 and 6. Okay. Now cut the last two digits, remaining digit is 11. Now compare in this table where we find 16. 16 is greater than 11, right? So now what we take? From here we take 3 because square of 3 is smaller than the 11. So we take 3. Now we have two digits 34 and 36. Next step, 3 का multiplication उसके successor से. What is the successor of 3? Successor of 3 is 4. 3 4s are 12. Now we compare 12 to 11. 11 and compare by 12. 12 is greater than 11. That means we find 36 is the perfect square root of 1156. This is our answer. Okay, let's take some more example. Our third example is 3136, right? Okay, same 6, where we find 6 and 4. Again same 4 and 6. Now cut the last two digits, remaining digit is 31. Now compare in this table 36. 36 is greater than 31. So what we take? 5. 5 from here, it becomes 54 and 56. Now third step, what we do? Multiply 5 by its successor. That means 5 का successor हुआ 6. So 5 multiply by 6. 6 5 are 30. And now compare it. 31 is greater than 30. That means now हमारा जो number है वो smaller है हमारे remaining number से. That means 31 is greater than 30. So what we take? It is greater than, that means we take a smaller digit. The answer is 54. Okay, friends? Okay, let's take some more example. Fourth example, 6084. Same 4. Where we find 4? In this table 2 and 8. Yeah, 2 and 8. Now next step, last two digit cut, remaining digit is 60. Compare in this table 64. 8 ka square is 64. Square of 8 is 64. 64 is greater than 60. That means we take 7 from here because the square of 749 is smaller than 60. So that means 72 and 78. Now same, what we do? 7 का multiply successor से multiply by 8. 7 8 are 56. Now again compare 60 to 56. 60 is greater than 56. That means the answer is 72. Correct, friends? Correct. Okay, let's one more example. Actually, last example. Perfect square of 8464. Last, again check 4. Where we get 4? 2 and 8. Correct. 2 and 8. Same. Now cut last two digits. Remaining digit is 84. Now compare in this table. The square of 9 is 81. Square of 10 is 100. That means what we take? 9 from here. 92 and 98. Now same. Multiply 9 by its successor 10. 9 tens are 90. And 84 compared to 90. So 90 is greater than 84. That means our remaining digit is smaller than the answer. What we take? Because it is smaller, that means we take a greater number. That means the answer is 98. Yes, correct. 98 is our answer. If you have any doubt, just type in comment section. Okay, please like and subscribe.